Hey, Discovering New You family. This is going to be a video on how to apply your Revealing Radiance facial peel from Mary Kay. So I wanted to make sure, since Ebony talked about what she talked about? This, you see how it separates right there? That's what she was talking about. This is the oil-free eye makeup remover. And so as you can see, I already wiped one side off and it's still wet, and I'm going to use the same thing to remove, you see, in one swipe, everything. That's it. I love it. It's gotten all of my, I guess I go behind out of, I don't know, habit or wanting to, but there's nothing else that's coming off. Right? Nothing else that's coming off. Uh, since it is one swipe and it's gone, that's what she loves. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my cleanser, my Volume Farm cleanser, and of course with my brush. And I will be right back with a clean face to apply the facial peel. Awesome. So I've returned and I have a surprise with me. She saw and wanted to get into it today because I was gonna do the facial peel. Now, I always talk to you about deep cleaning things. This is a deep cleaning thing. I like to do it, I would say once a month. Yes, because I use microdermabrasion and I use them interchangeably because they're not to be used together now. They can be used, to me, this facial peel speeds up the process of radiance. So if you've been using the microdermabrasion and it has changed your skin's texture and, made your pores smaller and whatever, this is what you want to introduce so that you can speed up that process of bringing the skin tone, them all to one color. So it really helps with that. Immediately you see refined pores.
Discover a new you at marykay.com/discoveryou100.